The second video is going to be about molecular data, and to find evidence for evolution, scientists look at and compare the nucleotide sequences in the DNA of different organisms. Organisms that are evolutionarily related will share a common ancestor with an ancestral DNA sequence. Phylogenetic trees, like this one, explain relatedness and are often generated using DNA sequence alignments. As you can see on the diagram, all the animals shown at the top share a common ancestor, which is circled in green at the bottom. As the organisms evolve, their DNA sequences accumulate mutations and become more and more different from the common ancestor. Circled in purple on the right, you can see how birds share an ancestor with crocodiles, as well as with primates, which is circled in orange. However, the birds are more closely related to the crocodiles because they share a more recent common ancestor. Closely related species have fewer DNA sequence differences than distantly related species. And when looking at how closely humans are related to other animals, scientists found that we share about 96% of our DNA with chimpanzees. We also found that we share about 85% of our DNA with mice. From this info, we can safely assume that humans are more closely related to chimpanzees than mice because we have a greater percentage of our DNA in common with them. So looking at molecular data is important because it helps scientists better understand the evolutionary relationships between organisms.